Hi everyone, I'm Abby, and today I'll be demonstrating a standing dumbbell lateral arm raise with correct form to perform the movement safely. This movement targets the deltoid muscles, and for this exercise you will require 2 dumbbells of equal weight for a bilateral movement, or a single dumbbell for a unilateral movement. Ensure you can comfortably raise the weight with an extended arm to select the best weight for this exercise. You are going to want to set up this exercise by standing upright with your feet shoulder width apart. For the bilateral movement, hold a dumbbell in each hand with your arms down by your side. Make sure to keep a slight bend in your elbows to reduce stress on the joints and avoid hyperextension. Remember to engage your core to maintain stability and keep a straight back. To start the movement, slowly lift the dumbbells out to the side until your arms are parallel to the floor. Keep your palms facing down or tilted slightly forward, with your thumbs slightly lower than your pinky finger. Try to avoid shrugging your shoulders and instead use your shoulder muscles to lift the weight. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the original starting position, with control. For the movement with a single dumbbell, hold the dumbbell in one hand down at your side, palm facing inwards. Place the other hand on your hip or hold onto something else at roughly hip height for support. Complete the movement in the same motion and swap and repeat on the other side. To safely perform this movement, make sure to keep the following tips in mind. 1. Use the appropriate weight. Start with lighter weights to master the form before increasing the load. 2. Maintain control. Avoid using momentum to swing weights. Focus on controlled movement. 3. Watch your posture. Keep your back straight and avoid leaning forwards and backwards during the movement. 4. Shoulder care. If you feel any pain in your shoulders or joints, stop and reassess your form and reduce your weight. This exercise should feel like you're lifting the weight with your shoulders, not your traps or back. If you are feeling strain in another area, it could be a sign to adjust your technique.